Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making better purchasing decisions. Today we're taking to the skies as we compare two popular drones, the Ruko F11PRO, or as I like to call it, the Ruko Rocket, and the Tamiz 4K drone, aka the Tamiz Flyer. Buckle up, because this is going to be a high-flying, laugh-out-loud comparison. First up, let's talk about the price. The Ruko Rocket will set you back a cool $389. That's right, folks. For the price of a small island in the middle of nowhere, you can own this beauty. Meanwhile, the Tamiz Flyer comes in at just $99. Yup, you heard it right. You could buy 4 Tamiz Flyers and still have enough left over for a decent pizza night. Now, on to the cameras. The Ruko Rocket boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. On the flip side, the Tamiz Flyer also offers a 4K camera, but with a 110 degrees FOV lens. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a really good TV show. Both are great, but one just has that extra cinematic flair. Reviewers mention that the Ruko Rocket delivers exceptional video quality, whereas the Tamiz Flyer is praised for being a fun, high-quality toy. Next, flight time. The Ruko Rocket gives you 60 minutes of airtime with its two powerful 2,500 mAh batteries. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood and still have juice left to spy on your ex. The Tamiz Flyer, well, it didn't really brag about its flight time, which makes me think it's like my uncle at family gatherings. Shows up, has a little fun, and then disappears way too soon. Reviewers love the extended flight time of the Ruko Rocket, while Tamiz users wish it came with more than one battery. Wind resistance is another biggie. The Ruko Rocket can handle level 6 winds, so it's basically the Chuck Norris of drones. The Tamiz Flyer can resist up to level 4 winds, which is still impressive, but more like the Chuck Norris from a slightly windy day. Reviewers agree that the Ruko Rocket performs well, even in windy conditions, while the Tamiz Flyer may struggle. Both drones come loaded with features that make them beginner-friendly. The Ruko Rocket offers Follow Me mode, tap fly, point of interest, and hand gesture shots. It practically flies itself so you can focus on looking cool. The Tamiz Flyer has one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, plus some fun extras like 3D flips. It's like a drone and a theme park ride had a baby. Reviewers find the Ruko Rocket to be great for beginners and packed with features, while Tamiz Flyer users appreciate its ease of use and beginner-friendly design. Let's talk design. The Ruko Rocket is sturdy with an aluminum alloy casing, making it durable for long-term use. The Tamiz Flyer, on the other hand, is foldable and weighs less than 250 grams, which means no FAA registration. It's perfect for those who like to live on the edge of legal requirements. Reviewers are impressed with the Ruko Rocket's build quality and durability, while the Tamiz Flyer is praised for its portability and ease of travel. Both companies promise stellar customer service. Ruko offers a 30-day return or exchange policy and a 90-day free warranty. Tamiz has dedicated customer service reps ready to answer all your newbie questions. So if you crash into your neighbor's cat, at least you'll have someone to talk to about it. Reviewers praise Ruko's customer service and warranty, while Tamiz users have mixed experiences, with some struggling to find replacement parts. Overall, reviewers are very pleased with the Ruko F11PRO, highlighting its quality, durability, and impressive flight time. The Tamiz drone is also appreciated for its ease of use and affordability, though some users have faced issues with battery life and customer service. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko Rocket versus the T-Mice Flyer. Whether you're looking for a high-end aerial IMAX experience or a budget-friendly sky cruiser, both drones have something to offer. Comment below and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a flight with Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart, shop smart. Product links are in the description.